So I'm doing the second cruise ship week I've ever done, and one thing I found out on the first one is that you do a show opening night, and then everyone on the cruise ship knows who you are for the next week and a half, and they live with you. So to avoid all the talking to people, doing the first show like this, and then I'm doing this. Totally different guy, definitely not the one who did the show on opening night, so no reason to like come talk or anything. Let's be strangers now. I don't know that guy.